Stop. If you're thinking about buying Multi-Model Agent Builder, there's something you need to know first. This tool claims it can replace ChatGPT subscriptions, Claude subscriptions, Gemini subscriptions, and even build AI employees that work for you 24/7. Sounds insane, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you what Multi-Model Agent Builder really is. What nobody else is telling you, the pros, the cons, and whether this is a genius AI business opportunity or just another hyped-up launch. And make sure you stay till the end, because if you decide to get this through my link below, I'm giving away 2 exclusive premium bonuses worth over $2,000 completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you actually make money with AI agents, not just play around with them. So let's jump in. What is Multi-Model Agent Builder? It's an AI platform that lets you build powerful AGI-style AI agents using multiple premium AI models together like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Llama, and more, all from one dashboard. Instead of paying monthly for multiple AI subscriptions and switching between tools, this combines everything into one system where your AI agents can answer customers, automate tasks, generate content, capture leads, run support, and basically work like virtual employees 24/7. And the craziest part? You don't need coding skills. Benefits. Why people are interested. Because right now, AI automation is exploding. Businesses want AI customer support, AI sales systems, AI chatbots, and AI marketing automation. But most tools are expensive, complicated, and monthly subscriptions. This tool solves that problem by giving you one dashboard, multiple AI models, automation tools, commercial license, and one-time pricing. And honestly, the ability to combine multiple AI models together is actually a big advantage. For example, Claude for reasoning, GPT for creativity, and Gemini for research. That's powerful. Inside the platform, you're getting multi-AI agent creation system, AI training engine, website deployment tools, WhatsApp and Telegram AI integration, customer support automation, AI marketing content generator, workflow automation tools, real-time AI conversations, and commercial license included. You can literally build AI support bots, AI sales assistants, AI lead generation systems, AI content creators, and AI business automation agents. And deploy them on websites, funnels, apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. This is basically like building your own AI workforce. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros. Beginner-friendly. Multiple AI models in one place. Commercial license included. Huge automation potential and one-time price is very cheap. Cons. Beginners may feel overwhelmed initially. Results depend on how well you train your agents. AI still needs human supervision sometimes, and some advanced features may require upgrades later. Results. What to expect? Can this magically make you rich overnight? No. But can this help you? Automate tasks, save time, start an AI service business, create AI bots for clients, and potentially make money with AI automation? Absolutely. Especially if you're a freelancer, marketer, agency owner, content creator, or business owner. This could become a serious productivity weapon. And if you grab Multi-Model Agent Builder through my link below, you'll get these exclusive bonuses from me. Bonus 1, AI Automation Agency Blueprint. Value, $1,297. I'll show you how to start your own AI automation service business using tools like this. You'll learn how to find clients, price AI services, close deals, and sell AI chatbot setups for $500 to $2,000 plus. Bonus 2, 500 AI prompt mega pack plus funnel kit. Value $997. You'll get high converting AI prompts, chatbot templates, email prompts, marketing prompts, sales scripts, and plug-and-play AI business funnels, perfect for getting results fast. Total bonus value, over $2,000. Yours free through my link below. Is Multi-Model Agent Builder worth it? If you're interested in AI automation, AI business opportunities, or building smart AI agents without coding, then yes, this is definitely worth checking out, and with the 30-day guarantee. So if you want to lock in the lifetime deal and get my exclusive bonuses, check out the first link in the description right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.